What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert draw.io to Lucidchart. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to the draw.io's website. From here, you need to create a diagram or an image. And when you are done, you simply click on File and then click on Export. When you see the option of Export As, you need to select the XML. And after that, you need to click on Compressed and click on export, and in the device you need to select wherever you need to save this file. After that, simply give it the name to your file and then click on save, and when you are done you will see your draw.io file has been saved. Now head over to Lucidchart. So after coming to the Lucidchart, on the left side, you can see this new option. Click on it and then hover to Lucidchart and then click on a blank document. After that, a new tab will open wherein you can edit your blank document. After coming to the blank document, on the left side, you have this file option. Click on this file option and then click on import. Now from here, select you need to select import documents, and from here you need to click on draw.io. After that, you just need to drag and drop your draw.io files, and when you are done, this will import the document, and when the document is imported, click on done, and then you will see that a document has been imported to your Lucidchart.